Question number 12. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 4x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 that has equal intercepts on the axis. Solution. Given equations are 4x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0, say number 1, and 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, say number 2. Then equation of line through the point of intersection of 1 and 2 is 4x plus 7y minus 3 plus k into 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 4 plus 2k into x plus 7 minus 3k into y minus 3, here you will get a k minus k is equal to 0. Say number 3. This implies 4 plus 2k into x plus 7 minus 3k into y is equal to 3 minus k. This implies 4 plus 2k into x divided by 3 minus k plus 7 minus 3k divided by 3 minus k into y is equal to 1. This implies x divided by 3 minus k whole divided by 4 plus 2k plus y divided by 3 minus k divided by 7 minus 3k is equal to 1. This is in the form of x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. Since it has equal intercepts on the axis, therefore 3 minus k divided by 4 plus 2k is equal to 3 minus k divided by 7 minus 3k. This implies 7 minus 3k is equal to 4 plus 2k implies minus 3k minus 2k is equal to 4 minus 7. This implies minus 5k is equal to minus 3. This implies k is equal to 3 by 5. Substituting k is equal to 3 by 5 in equation 3, we get 4 plus 2 into 3 by 5 x plus 7 minus 3 into 3 by 5 into y minus 3 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 0. This implies 20 plus 6 divided by 5 into x plus 35 minus 9 divided by 5 into y minus 15 minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to 0. This implies 26x plus 26y minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies 13x plus 13y minus 6 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Next question, important question. Show that the equation of the line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the line y is equal to mx plus c is y by x is equal to m plus r minus tan theta divided by 1 minus r plus m tan theta. Solution. Slope of line y is equal to mx plus c is m. Let m2 be the slope of required line. Therefore, tan theta is equal to absolute value of m2 minus m divided by 1 plus m2. This implies m2 minus m divided by 1 plus m2 is equal to plus or minus tan theta. Implies m2 minus m divided by 1 plus m2 is equal to tan theta, or m2 minus m divided by 1 plus m2 is equal to minus tan theta. Let us simplify these equations separately. This implies m2 minus m is equal to tan theta plus m2 tan theta. Implies 1, let us take this tan theta from this side, minus m tan theta into m2 by taking m2 common is equal to m plus tan theta. This implies m2 is equal to m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus m tan theta. Let us simplify this second equation. This implies m2 minus m is equal to minus tan theta minus m2 tan theta. Implies 1 plus m tan theta into m2 is equal to m minus tan theta. Implies m2 is equal to m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta. Therefore, equation of line through origin with slope m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus m tan theta is y minus 0 is equal to m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus m tan theta into x minus 0. This implies y by x is equal to m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus m tan theta, say number 3. And equation of line through origin with slope m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta is y minus 0 is equal to m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta into x minus 0. This implies y by x is equal to m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta, say number 4. When we combine 3 and 4, we get from 3 and 4 y by x is equal to m plus or minus tan theta divided by 1 minus or plus m tan theta. Next question. In what ratio the line joining points with coordinates -1, 1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line x plus y is equal to 4? Solution. Let the line x plus y is equal to 4, say number 1, divides the line segment joining the points A -1, 1 and P 5 7 in the ratio k is to 1 at P x1. Therefore, x is equal to k into 5 plus 1 divided by k plus 1. Y is equal to seven k minus 1 divided by k plus 1, that is 5k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, and this is 7k minus 1 divided by k plus 1. Therefore, coordinates of point P are 5k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, comma 7k minus 1 divided by k plus 1. Since P lies on 1, therefore 1 implies 5k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 plus 7k minus 1 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 4. This implies 5k plus 1 plus 7k minus 1 minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies 12 minus 4, 8k minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, required ratio is 1:2. Next question. Find the distance of the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 from the point with coordinates 1 and 2 along the line 2x minus y is equal to 0. Solution. Let AB be the distance of a point A with coordinates 1 and 2 along the line 2x minus y is equal to 0, say number 1, from the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0, say number 2. Let Bxy be the point of intersection of lines 1 and 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, four x plus 7 into 2x, let us take y is equal to 2x, plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 4x plus 14x plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 18x plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 5 by 18. Substituting x is equal to minus 5 by 18 in 1, we get y is equal to 2 into minus 5 by 18 is equal to minus 10 by 18. Therefore, coordinates of point B are minus 5 by 18 minus 10 by 18. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of minus 5 by 10 Therefore, AB is equal to square root of minus 5 by 18 minus 1 whole square plus minus 10 by 18 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to square root of minus 18 plus 5, 23 by 18 whole square plus minus 36, that is 46 divided by 18 whole square is equal to square root of 23 by 18 whole square plus this 46 can be written as 2 into 23. 2 when you take out, so that will be 2 square into 23 by 18 whole square. This is equal to square root of one plus 2 square into 23 by 18 whole square is equal to 23 by 18 when you take out from this square root symbol, root 1 plus 4, that is 5. Here it is.